You're not lazy. You're being quietly robbed by 9 tiny habits that steal your energy, your focus, and your life. Stay with me. I'll show you the exact fixes. Pick one today and watch everything change. Real talk. Motivation is a feeling. Action is a decision. Change doesn't come from motivation. It comes from action. Ready? Let's find the silent leaks and shut them down. You replay decisions until nothing gets done. That inner loop crushes momentum. It creates paralysis and turns small choices into mountains. Set a 10-minute decision rule. Pick a direction, act, iterate. Imperfect action beats perfect indecision. You're waiting for likes, approvals, or a nod to feel worthy. That hands your power to others. Your value becomes external and fragile. Create one internal standard, one metric only you measure: consistency, effort, honesty. Score yourself daily. What would you do if no one was watching? Skipping sleep for extra hours of work is a thief. Poor sleep wrecks focus, mood, and memory. Decision-making collapses. Protect a sleep window first. Treat it like an important meeting. Small ritual. Lights off 30 minutes before bed. You scroll and feel slimmer on time, but heavier inside. Constant consumption fragments attention and steals creative energy. Switch one app to read-only for a week and replace that time with creation. 20 minutes of writing, coding, or practicing. Here's the twist. Some fixes are tiny, but compound like interest. You say yes to everyone and no to your own goals. Your calendar becomes other people's agenda. Use the one reserve rule. Reserve one daily hour for your highest priority work and say no to meetings that break it. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. Grudges drain emotional bandwidth and blur priorities. Practice a 3-minute release. Write the grievance, decide the lesson, let go. Action shuts the loop. If you keep what's hurting you, you also keep the pain. Choose. You think you're getting more done. You're losing depth. Task switching destroys flow and adds mistakes. Work in short, deep blocks. 45 minutes on one thing, then 10 minutes off. Single task like a pro. You skip food to save time. Your brain pays the bill. Low fuel means fuzzy thinking, irritability, poor decisions. Always have a simple fuel plan. A protein snack every 3 to 4 hours. Eat to think. You let people interrupt your day, your projects, your peace. Boundaries protect the only resource that can't be replenished: your attention. Set 2 clear boundaries today. A do not disturb block and a why I can't script you actually use. Later I'll tell you which single habit most people pick first and why it explodes results faster than any other change. But first, imagine 1 year from now if you keep these habits. Now imagine 1 year if you remove one. Which future feels more like you? Stop whining about wasted time. Start deciding. Pick one habit and eliminate it today, not tomorrow. Today. Try the 10-minute decision rule, the sleep window, or the 45-minute deep block. Pick one. Comment what you chose and when you're starting. Share this with someone who needs the wake-up call. Change doesn't come from motivation, it comes from action. Act now. Which habit do you want me to expand into a 30-day microplan for you?